Well, here we are, guys, once again. Good morning. NJ7V and my beautiful wife.
W7NRS.
So we are at the base of Black Mountain, and it is really windy, really cold. Not sure how this video is going to turn out with all the wind, but we will give it a try. When we get on top, we'll do some activations, and if it's not too windy, we'll record some.
Sounds good.
All right, there it is, Black Mountain. It's just a big old gravel mound, a huge one. It's actually cinder cone. All right, off we go. Made it to the rim of the crater. Now we have to go around over to the high point. Alright guys, we're gonna do a same thing we did last time with the random wire. We got it up here. It's extremely windy, so it's swinging around a lot, but Sandy's already calling CQ on 12 meters. We'll see how that goes. May or may not get anybody there. We'll drop down to 15 meters and so forth. So.
Whiskey 7 November Romeo Sierra calling CQ SOTA.
Whiskey 7 November Romeo Sierra, Whiskey November 4 Alpha Tango, Whiskey November 4 Alpha Tango.
Whiskey November 4
Alpha Tango.
Whiskey November 4 Alpha Tango, you are 5959. Whiskey November 4 Alpha Tango, you are 5959.
QSL to 59. You're 3x3, 33 in Alabama, a lot of QSB, over.
QSL the 33 in Alabama. Thanks for the contact, 73.
73, thanks for activation.
Foxtrot 4, Whiskey, Bravo, November.
Foxtrot 4, Whiskey Bravo, November, you're 5858.
Roger, roger, thanks on 5x8. Good afternoon. Foxtrot 4, Whiskey, Bravo, November. You're also 58, 58 in France, QSL.
QSL the 58 in France. Thanks for the contact. 73.
Roger, thanks for the contact. Appreciate it. 73. Good luck. Bye-bye.
CQ SOTA, this is Whiskey 7 November Romeo Sierra calling CQ SOTA.
Whiskey 5, Golf Delta Whiskey.
Whiskey 5 Golf Delta Whiskey, you're 5959.
55, North Carolina, 55. Thanks for the activation, 73.
QSL the 55. Thanks for the contact, 73. CQ SOTA, this is Whiskey 7 November Romeo Sierra calling CQ SOTA.
Kilowatt United 4 radio.
Kilowatt United 4 radio, you're 5959.
Thank you for the 59. Very good morning. You are 5555 Northeast Tennessee. Over.
QSL the 55 in Tennessee. Thanks for the contact. 73.
73. Good luck.
CQ SOTA, this is Whiskey 7 November Romeo Sierra calling CQ SOTA.
Calling.
50 Mike November Alpha.
Whiskey Zero Mike November Alpha. Whiskey Zero Mike November Alpha, you're 5959.
QSL, good morning, Sandra. You're 55 Kansas.
QSL the 55 in Kansas, Gary. Thanks for the contact, 73.
73 for now.
CQ Soda, this is Whiskey 7 November Romeo Sierra calling CQ Soda.
Kilo 0 Lima Alpha Foxtrot.
Lima Alpha Foxtrot, right?
Yep.
Kilo 0 Lima Alpha Foxtrot, you're 5959.
Okay, thanks. Deer 5 and 5, 55 here in southwest Missouri. Thanks for another activation.
QSL the 55 in Missouri. Thanks for the contact, 73.
73.
Whiskey 9 Mike Radio Hotel.
Whiskey 9 Mike Radio Hotel, you're 5959.
QSL 59, you're 55 in Indiana. 55 Indiana.
QSL the 55 in Indiana. Thanks for the contact, 73.
73.
Okay, that's a wrap. We have finished activating Black Mountain, which is a cinder cone. And you saw some of the footage up. It's just basically a big, huge gravel mountain.
Yep.
What do you think, Sandy?
It was just like walking through gravel. Yeah. Yep.
How'd you do on the bands? On the
Pretty good. I mean, I didn't get that many contacts, but about 9.
Okay,
So
that's pretty good.
yeah.
All right, we're gonna move on. We're just gonna go right over here, over this mountain here, and down and to the truck. And then on the other side of the truck is the other mountain, Baby Black. Much easier than this one. So we'll catch you in a bit. Well, I'm glad we're down off that last hill. It was so windy. You'll see some of the footage. So now we're parked here across the road here, just heading up this other mountain. You can't really see it too well. It's called Baby Black. This was the Black Mountain here. To my left, and then to my right is Baby Black.
So here we go again.
All right, let's do it. And of course this is, so we're on our way up Baby Black. I would mention to you that this also is just a pile of cinder, so it's tough going. We're actually on the east side of the mountain this time, so going up and down won't be as windy because the wind's really blowing from the west to the east, so it'll be a little better. But still, these winds are just really a problem. Look at how she sinks in. Every step forward is a half a step back. It's really tough going. This is the mountain we just did. We've just finished a Baby Black. Really windy up here. We had 20 meters, but we had the antenna probably only, I don't know, 8-10 feet off the ground, because otherwise it just blew it away. I was able to work Daryl and Josh. Josh is WU7H. Daryl's WW7D. It was cool. They were on Morse code working me. I was on sideband calling CQ, and they came in on Morse code. We made the exchange sideband to CW. Pretty cool. Anyway, we didn't get many contacts here, but we just got really, we should get 5.
5.
I got out of here. So sorry guys, but we're on the next one. That one should be a little bit, provide a little bit more shelter, but we'll see. So on to the next one. Catch you guys. Event coming up in the summer, and so some of these same summits we're doing we'll probably do again. So for these activations today, we didn't spend a lot of time on the bands, and that was because it's very windy, gusts up to 50 miles an hour, very cold, and it was just miserable. And then on top of that, we had to make sure that our antenna was not up really high or the wind would just blow it away. So we had our antenna, you know, 6 to 10 feet off the ground. On the last activation that we just did, that was probably part of the reason why we didn't get very many contacts, but you know, we had to do what we had to do, you know.
Well, we finished our third peak. It is Sunset Summit. This was a tough one. I was just beat, tired, and it was really hard to get contacts. I just got 4. The snow's starting to fly, so I'm saying we're done. We're going.
I agree. Really cold. The temperature dropped, and yeah, there's snow right now. Still got wind, and unfortunately, we both had to really call CQ for quite a while just to get the 4 that we needed to activate the summit. We were about ready to give up, but we got it. So it was a great activation on this one, and it was a great day. So we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully you guys come on back and enjoy more video on the channel. 73 guys.
73.